The Amazon jungle is the second most dangerous forest in the world. This jungle is so vast that it can fit 10 countries the size of the United Kingdom within it. Its area spreads across a staggering 5.5 million square kilometers. There are over 40,000 species of plants and trees in this jungle. As immense as it is in size, it's equally terrifying and mysterious. You'll find 5,000 land-dwelling animals, 1,300 types of dangerous birds, and over 400 bizarre species. Creatures live here that you couldn't even dream of. If you enjoy amazing videos like this, stay connected with us.